If you want AI to create images that have clear and correctly written text in them, and you want them to generate quickly, instead of the slow ChatGPT load times, there are several free alternatives you can use. The first is Google's Imagen 4 model. Go to labs.google, then click Experiments and look for Wisk, and press Try It Now. Enter the tool, which will require you to sign in with your Google account. Choose the aspect ratio you want for the image, then enter the prompt of the design you want. I will let this load in real time. You can see the quality of the output. You can then click Refine, which lets you making specific edits with prompts to the image. Or you can describe an animation to the image, which will give you a video output. And of course, we can download the image by clicking the download button in the bottom corner. Another option is Reve. Go to rev.art, then create an account, which will give you free credits. Once you've done that, go to the Create tab. Like with Whisk, we can set the aspect ratio we want for the output image, and also the amount of different outputs for the same prompt. Then again, I'll describe the prompt I want, and press Create. Like Whisk, it creates it very quickly. And also like Whisk, we can make specific prompt edits to the output. Click on the image you want. This changes the chat bar to Instruct, and asks us what we want edited in this image. Once I get the image I'm looking for, I'll click on it and press the download button at the top.